Hi, kindergarten friends. Welcome to Reading Today. We are going to be talking about fiction stories again. We have already learned one of the most important parts of a story. We have learned what a character is. Go ahead, tell somebody at home. What is a character? Oh, friends, I hear so many of you saying it answers the question, who the story's about. If I remember correctly, it could be a person, it could be an animal, it could be a creature or an object. And we know they're a character because usually they say and or do something. Well, characters are not the only part to a story. Today, I'm going to teach you another part. The next part of a story we're going to learn about is called the setting. Everybody say it, setting. Setting answers two questions. Setting answers the questions where and when the story takes place. So if I'm thinking of the question where, maybe the story is at a school, maybe it's at the beach, maybe it takes place on an airplane. If I'm thinking of the question word when, maybe it's happening in the summer, maybe it's happening during a storm, or maybe it's even happening at nighttime. So setting answers the questions where and when. So I thought to get the idea, we would take a virtual field trip. Are you ready to go on a little trip with Miss Opdyke? Let's see our first stop on our virtual field trip. Oh my goodness. Take a look around. Think about where and when my trip took place. Well, I see I'm at the beach. That answers where. Well, when, I would say it happened on a sunny day. So if I was going to describe the setting I traveled to, I would say one sunny day at the beach. All right, let's go to our next stop. All right, friends. Here's my next stop on my field trip. Let's take a look around. Well, if I was going to answer the question where, by the looks of it, I'm in a bedroom. And looking out the window, it is sunny, so I think it's during the day. So if I was going to describe my setting, I would say in my bedroom during the day. That answers where and when. All right, get ready for our next stop. Be ready, friends. Oh, what do you think? How would you describe the setting we're in now? Well, Mrs. Opdyke would say, I am camping in the woods at night. That tells me where. I'm in the woods camping, and when? At night. There's no sunshine out. All right, let's go on another spot. Where is our setting now? I bet you can answer this one. Think where and when. Well, where? I'm at Havre Grace Elementary School out front. And I would say it's probably during the day because there's still light in the sky. All right, let's take one more stop on our virtual field trip. Be ready to tell me what you think the setting is. All right, think about it. If I was going to answer where, I would say I'm in the apple orchard. And if I'm going to think when, I would definitely say it's during the day because the sun's out. But I could even talk about what season is. Well, I know apples grow and we pick them in the fall because we've learned that. So if I was going to describe the setting, I would say it's one fall day in the apple orchard. So boys and girls, today, as we read a story, not only are we going to think about who the characters are, we're going to identify the setting, where and when the story takes place. Get ready and meet Ms. Sopdike back here for a good story.